Every summer for 4 weeks, the CRM fills with students doing something a degree almost never lets them do. Real research. This is the BIMR, the Barcelona Introduction to Mathematical Research. A BGSMath summer program. The idea is simple. Give undergraduate and master's students a first taste of what research in mathematics actually is. And with luck, a reason to want a career in it. Through July, each student works on a real project, a senior mathematician alongside them, reading papers and facing a problem that often has no answer yet. But the problems weren't toys. One project chased the existence of minimal surfaces, the soap films that stretch across a bent wire and settle on their own into the shape of least area. The Banachtarski paradox turned up in another, where a solid ball is cut into 5 pieces and put back together, using nothing but rotations into 2 balls the size of the first. Somewhere else, an infection was set loose on a graph to see how slowly it could be made to spread. And one project asked a blunter question, whether algebra can tell you, before you spend the money, if you have enough data. The first 2 weeks brought 4 mini-courses. Maria Albrick went to the points where a curve stops behaving. Gyula Chato opened the calculus of variations with an old question. What's the fastest way down between 2 points? Joachim Koch talked about category theory, the mathematics of mathematics. And Paul Martin closed with celestial mechanics and the n-body problem, which holds, in a sense, every dynamics there is. They came from Barcelona and much further out, from Gothenburg, from MIT, from India, from Thailand. Between one theorem and the next, there were coffee breaks, a round table on how you build a career, and a pizza night or two. Because no summer school runs on theorems alone, the mini-courses ended, the projects didn't. For the rest of the month, each student stays alone with their problem, which is, more or less, what the job is.